Welcome in a solution for your Soul Treadmill E5 error. So this is a communication disconnected. This is something I found on Reddit. The resolution: ensure that the cables connecting the console and the controller are secure. If any of the cables connectors appear loose, completely power off and unplug the treadmill before unplugging and reattaching the cables. So this is something that you want to do. And then I had similar issue when I moved myself up a flight of stairs. The speed sensor got knocked out the way and the treadmill won't run if it's not properly aligned. I was able to take the cover off and play around with the sensor until I got it back into the right spot with the help of Google and a lot of swearing. It's worked fine ever since. So maybe one of it is going to fix it for you. So try it out first, the cables, if it's going to actually help you. If not, I'm sorry, I tried. So have a great day and goodbye.